Hello everyone, my name is Denis and today I will explain you all pluses and minuses of using Robinhood, and I will compare it to interactive brokers. It is a huge United States broker. First of all, that in both brokers your money up to $500,000 are safe, and you can check both brokers on sipc.org. If Robinhood or interactive brokers will go to bankruptcy, you wouldn't lose any money up to 500,000. Second, it is an order execution. Interactive brokers has a really nice execution and I never get some trouble on it. But if you try to sell stock on a Robinhood on a really fast market, you can really lose your money, because trades appear to be routed to generate payment for order flow, not best price. On the fast-moving market, you will lose your money 100%. And I find some post on Reddit, and in that post, some man described that he was trying to sell one stock that really fall down for like 20% in a moment, and he sold it. But after 5 minutes that stock appears on his account and he lost really a huge amount of money, and you can catch some bugs on Robinhood. The third thing, it is a quote stream, and it is forbidden to stream real quotes for free. On a Robinhood, you see delayed quotes, and you will always buy and sell for a bad price because you didn't see actual insta prices. Number 4, it's a routing, and you have to understand that Robinhood makes profit from all trades, and you paying for that. I can write minus to the both brokers because interactive brokers have the fees, and I think they're quite similar. Fifth things, that you couldn't short sale on a Robinhood, and I think they will make it in the future, but you can short sale easily on interactive brokers. We have 1 pluses for Robinhood and 4 minuses for Robinhood, and opposite we have 4 pluses for interactive and only 1 minuses for that broker. Why do you need to use Robinhood? It's a really nice question, and I think you can use interactive brokers only for your start. It's like a starting point for new people. It is easy, and you can just test some strategies on it. But when you will need more, you can just join interactive brokers, and I will leave a link below. Use it, it's free. And I would like to talk what else you will get when you use interactive brokers. Actually, it is a ton of new stuff. It's like to sit from a bicycle to airplane. You will have some time to learn something. If you allow interactive brokers to lend out your fully paid shares, they will share with you the interest rate 50-50, and you will generate extra yield on your long-term investments, and it's really nice. They have interactive broker debit MasterCard. You can use your margin easily. All the software that they built for last 20 years, it's like order types, trading algos, account management, researches, risk analysis, performance reporting, portfolio modeling, and rebalancing tools. They are all available for customers, absolutely free. And I really like market on open order type, and they have like 60 plus order types. In Robinhood you have only 2. It is a market and limit, and maybe the third one is a limit order for your risk management. They have an investor marketplace where you can choose a hedge fund or a some individual advisor. Interactive brokers opened for 23 different countries, and you can sell and buy assets on 120 stock markets all over the world. And it's really nice because you can buy a really super focused stock on China market. If you're still thinking about, you can watch that video from Thomas Butterfly, founder and chairman of Interactive Brokers. And if you think that that video was helpful, please push the like button and subscribe button. Leave your comments below. See you later. Bye bye. And I will leave links to Interactive Brokers in a comment.